This is our cake for you for your birthday.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Joesph Birdsong.
Wow.
Yeah. That sounded really cheesy.
We made you a cake.
We wanted to give it to you, but we didn't have your address, and we'd feel like a stalker if we asked you for it. And plus, the cake will be bad.
Yeah, it would be horrible if we sent it to you. It would be all smushed and gross.
And expired, I guess.
I don't know if cakes expire. But anyway.
Well, we'll sing to you while we show you the cake. One.
Zoom in.
You can't. It's zoomed
in.
You
can't.
I can't. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joesph Birdsong.
You're singing 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! We blow out candles for you, but we don't have any, and we don't know how old you are actually.
Because again, we'd feel like stalkers if we asked you. So yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
By the way, we're gonna eat it. We were gonna say that we were gonna give it to homeless people, but we would be lying.
Yeah. We're gonna eat it, and it's gonna be delicious, and yeah. Also, we didn't know if you liked vanilla.
Yeah, we just kind of assumed. Yeah.
Yeah, so, thanks for making great, awesome videos. We love your videos. They're awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye.